Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Bronsted base strength of nitrogen-containing compounds depends on the availability of the lone pair on nitrogen for accepting a proton, H+. A more available, less delocalized, lone pair means a stronger base. Moving on to the next step. Analyze each compound. A. Aniline, PHNH to the lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized into the aromatic benzene ring via resonance. This significantly reduces its availability for protonation. pKa of conjugate acid tilde 4.6, making it a weak base. B. Ammonia, NH3 the lone pair is localized on nitrogen with no resonance delocalization. pKa of conjugate acid tilde 9.25. Moderate base. C. Pyrrole, the lone pair on nitrogen is part of the aromatic pi system, contributes to electrons to the 6pi electron aromatic system of the 5-membered ring. This lone pair is fully delocalized into the ring and is not available for protonation. Pyrrole is actually a very weak base, pKa of conjugate acid tilde -3.8. D. Pyrrolidine, a saturated 5-membered ring containing NH. There is no aromatic ring or pi system to delocalize the lone pair. Additionally, the alkyl groups, the 4 CH2 groups forming the ring, donate electron density inductively to nitrogen, increasing the availability of the lone pair. pKa of conjugate acid tilde 11.27, making it a strong base among these options. Moving on to the next step. Rank the bases. Pyrrolidine, ammonia, aniline, pyrrole. And for the final step. Why others fail? Aniline loses basicity due to resonance with the benzene ring. Pyrrole's lone pair is integral to aromaticity and essentially unavailable. Ammonia is a decent base but lacks the inductive electron-donating alkyl groups present in pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine benefits from both localization of the lone pair, no resonance, and inductive donation from 4 surrounding CH2 groups, making it the strongest base. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.